Okay, so what I need to do next now is I I attach the pocket. Um, Let me see what's going on here. So now I need to do the strip for the pants on the side. Now there's various ways you can do it, but I think the best way sort of is but to attach it to the as part of the panel. In any case, that is how I did cut it. So let me do that. It's a simple step. It's not difficult. It's just to overlock it and then trim it again at the end to cut it. So let us see. You see me and this overlocker. When I am not wearing shoes, then I must wear shoes when I work with this machine. Okay, so it's just to do it on both sides. So it's a quick and easy step. And then I decided to attach the strip first on the side, on the back panel. And then I will attach it to the front panel when we do the pocket. When we do the inseam pocket and then I think the pocket will lie a little bit more flat. But the pocket will be more to the front then in any case. So there's the first one. And let me do the second one. It should be on the right side now, I think. Yep. So we'll trim it later here on the edge at the back. Just going to let me trim it now, and then it is fine. But this is a simple step. It's just to get it. I'm still deciding if I'm going to do a top stitch to make it lie flat. I'm not sure about that. The seam. Maybe I'll do that. I'll just have a look first. Make sure everything here is fine, because when I work fast like this, then things can easily go wrong. See here now. That's why I don't pin, because it just wastes time. But in any case, I pinned here just to make sure that we are sort of okay. I need to replace the oil of this machine as well. Since I bought these two machines, I haven't replaced the oil. I think it is time now. In any case, I can see there that it's getting lower now. But I need to replace the little gasket that is there. The filter, actually. There's a yellow filter here. But you know, if you are lazy, but it's important that I do it now, soon. Okay, so we've got the other one here as well now. So the next step now is going to be the pockets. or the crotch seam. We'll have a look. Maybe I will top stitch here and make it nice and flat. I'll have a look first. Let me see here. I had a sample here where I top stitched it. Now I don't know where it is, but in any case, okay, so in the next step I think we will probably do a top stitch. I will see. Okay.